Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily convert GCredit to your GCash wallet. So first, you're going to need to download two apps. First is of course GCash, and you're going to also need to download the app called Own Bank. And from there, we're just going to start by accessing Own Bank. And from here, all you have to do is start logging in or register. And to get started is just enter in your mobile number. Then once you're logged in on your own bank account, look for the four circle icon that can be found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then under the fund management section, just click on cash in. Next, you will be asked to cash in via, just choose online bank or e-wallet. From the list of e-wallets, just choose GCash. Just enter in the amount that you want to transfer on your GCash account, then click on confirm. And from here, just copy the reference number. Then next is just head over to your GCash app and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just click on the bills icon, then click on payment solutions. In the search bar, just search for Dragon Pay. And from here, all you have to do is enter the same amount that you entered on own bank, same with the reference number, contact number. Then once done, just click on next. From here, all you have to do is review if all the information that you added or entered is the same with the details that you entered on own bank. Also, a reminder that there will be a service fee depending on the amount. Then once done, just click on confirm. And from there, your balance should now reflect on your own bank app. And once again, just click on the four circle icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And under the payment section, just click on transfer. Then next is choose bank or e-wallet account. Next is just choose GCash as your e-wallet and also enter in your account number that is also the same with your mobile number link on your GCash account, and lastly enter in your name. Then once done, just click on next. And from here, all you have to do is enter in the amount that you want to transfer on your GCash account. Then, once done, just click on transfer. You will be prompted to enter in your 6-digit PIN. Then, once done, the amount should be reflected on your GCash app. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now, we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!